In a busy workshop, there are numerous instances of threads getting damaged. Whacking a track rod end with a hammer. Cutting a bolt or threaded rod. Whacking a drive shaft out of a hub. Wheel studs. They get damaged just by removing and refitting the wheels. Luckily there is a quick and easy solution. Our Deburr and Chamfer tool to the rescue. Click its quick chuck shaft into your drill and marvel at the 3 super hard high-speed steel blades that make light work of repairing damaged bolts and damaged threads. Let's try it on this track rod end. A few turns of the tool and we've removed the damaged end. Now we can screw the securing nut back on, quick and easy. Remember that bolt that we cut? We've got no chance of getting a nut on there, and the cut end is sharp and dangerous. A couple of zaps from the Deburr Chamfer tool solves the problem instantly. Clean it up and we're back in business. Time to refit this drive shaft, but the end has been damaged by the hammer when it was removed. The tool is suitable for bolts and shafts up to 19mm in diameter, so another quick and easy result. Why struggle with damaged wheel studs when a quick tickle with the Deburr Chamfer tool solves this common problem in seconds? In fact, the tool can handle more or less any bolt, screw or rod within its circumference range. Stainless steel, hardened steel, mild steel, brass, wood, hard plastic or even fiberglass. Cutting steel or copper pipe can leave an uneven edge that can stop an olive or tube nut being slid on. A gentle touch with the tool leaves a nicely chamfered edge and the olive slides straight on. The new Laser Tools external deburring chamfer tool, available at your nearest Laser Tools stockist.